Hello everyone, this is Madhura L from Brahmos section 3rd sem. Today I am going to talk about the subject COA, that is Computer Organization and Architecture. And today's topic is Types of Instructions in Computer Architecture. Introduction to Computer Instructions. For the first point, definition. Instructions are commands given to the computer to perform specific tasks. What are the importance? Fundamental to programming and software development. Then determine how data is processed and manipulated within the CPU. For the overview of construction, instruction types are categories, data movement instructions, arithmetic instructions, control instruction. And for the purpose, each category serves a unique function in processing and managing data. Data movement instruction, and this is the first type. In that, the definition is instructions that transfer data between registers, memory and input-output devices. Common types are load, store, move, input or output. And for the load, transfers data from memory to a register. Example, load R1, 1000. And store moves data from a register to memory. Example is store R1 1000. And move copies data from one register to another. Example is move R2 R1. Input or output manages data transfer between CPU and peripherals. Example, IN R1, then port 1 or out port 1 R1. And for the significance is essential for data manipulation and access. For the second type is arithmetic instructions. Definition of arithmetic instructions is instructions that perform mathematical operations on numerical data. Common types of arithmetic instructions are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, increment or decrement. So let us look into each of them detailed. For the first one, addition. Adds two operands. Example, add R1, R2, R3. Subtraction subtracts one operand from another. Example, sub R1, R2, R3. Multiplication multiplies two operands. Example, mul R1, R2, R3. For division, divides one operand by another. Example, div R1, R2, R3. Then for the last, increment or decrement. Increases or decreases a value by 1. Example is INC R1 or DEC R1. Then significance of arithmetic instruction is fundamental for calculations in applications ranging from simple arithmetic to complex algorithms. Third type is that control instruction. Definition is instructions that alter the flow of execution in a program. Common types: jump or branch, call, return, halt. And in jump or branch, transfers control to a different address based on a condition. For the example, jump label or BEQ R1 R2 label. Then call transfers control to a subroutine saving the return address. Example, call function. And return returns control to the calling procedure. Example, return. Halt stops program execution. Example, halt. Significance of control instruction is essential for implementing loops, conditionals and function calls, enabling complex program behavior. What are the practical examples of these are? Example 1, simple calculator program, use of arithmetic instructions for addition, subtraction, etc. For example 2, data processing in an application, use of data movement to load or store data. And for example 3, control flow in a program, use of control instructions to manage loops and conditionals. And for the conclusion and for the last part of this topic is recap. Let us look into it. Understanding these instruction types is fundamental for programming and system design, and for the future implications involving instruction sets and architectures continue to enhance computational efficiency. And thank you everyone for watching my video, and please do like my video. Thank you all.